E25-230 thermostat assembly and installation in ENGO Smart application. The E25 series thermostat is available in two color versions, black and white. The kit includes the thermostat, quick guide, mounting plate and screws. The regulator looks good on the wall with a dedicated frame, sold separately. The E25 will work perfectly with the TRV head for radiator control. The thermostat is easy to use with the ENGO Smart app. It is easy to add to the home ZigBee network. The operation of the head is very quiet and comfortable. Turn off the electric power before starting work. Remove the mounting plate from the thermostat. Screw the board to the installation box. Connect the wires according to the diagram. Clip the thermostat onto the mounting plate. Optionally, you can use a dedicated frame, which is sold separately. Slide the thermostat through the frame at the right angle so that you don't have to disconnect it. Put the thermostat on the frame and hook it on the mounting plate. Turn on the power supply. The thermostat starts up, displaying all the icons and the software version, and then the main screen appears after a while. The thermostat can be added to the home ZigBee network using the ENGO Smart mobile app. Adding the thermostat to the ENGO Smart app. Links to videos explaining the process of configuring the gateway in the ENGO Smart application are available in the video description. If the EGATE-PRO gateway has been added to the ENGO Smart app, we can start adding more ZigBee devices. On the mobile device, make sure that the ENGO Smart app has access to permissions, location, Bluetooth, nearby devices. To proceed with adding a device, enable the following on your phone: Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and location. Launch the ENGO Smart app. Make sure the ZigBee gateway has been added to the app. Hold down the plus and minus keys until the PA symbol appears. Then it will start counting down 180 seconds to pair the device. Enter the interface of the ZigBee gateway. Click Add Device. When the thermostat is found, click Done. Name the device, add the location of the device, and click Done. By going into the device settings, you can change the photo, name and location. The device has been successfully installed and is visible in the application. The thermostat has been successfully installed. The globe icon appears on the screen. The device is ready to be paired with a TRV radiator head or control box. You can find links to instructional videos in the video description. Quick installation, easy pairing, simple control. ENGO. Control and save simply.